In this video, I'll be showing you how to add eSIM to Google Pixel phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Google Pixel you have. Now, let's say you have a phone where you don't have a SIM cartridge, so you need to do eSIM, or you just prefer eSIM over having a physical SIM inside of your phone. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll until you find connections. And then within here, you're going to see SIM Manager. Now, once you're here, as you can see, it says no SIM card because there's no physical SIM card. So what I want to go ahead and do is press Add eSIM. It says download an eSIM so you can connect to mobile networks without a physical SIM card. Go ahead and click on that and then just wait for it to load up. And then you're basically going to be able to put a SIM card depending on whichever carrier you want. So you can transfer SIM from another phone. You can scan a QR code if you were, as like one was provided for you, or you can search for eSIMs as well. So you got a few options. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.